Hebrews 1:4. Yeshua inherited and became superior to the angels. Hebrews 1:4 says, having become as much superior to angels as the name he has inherited is more excellent than theirs. I believe this verse proves that Yeshua is not Yahweh the Almighty. Let's take a look. The first point I want to make is this. When you read Hebrews 1:4, the text says that Yeshua became more superior than angels. This does not mean he's equal to the Father, Yahweh Almighty. It simply says he's greater than the angels, greater than all men, but still below Yahweh the Almighty, which means he's second in command. That's what it means to be seated at the right hand of the Majesty on high. Now, we all know that the Father, Yahweh, was, is, and always will be the eternal, most high, almighty, which means that the Father has never been below the angels. Scripture never says that Yahweh inherited anything or that Yahweh became greater than anyone. It contradicts the very meaning of being almighty and most high. I believe Hebrews 1:4 proves that Yeshua is not the Almighty, for he had to become and had to inherit the rank above the angels. This is so important to understand. So how should we read Hebrews 1 verse 4? When Yeshua was born, as prophesied, he began as a humble servant. His outer appearance was not seen as above the angels. Isaiah 53 verse 2. For he grew up before him like a young plant, and like a root out of dry ground. He had no form or majesty that we should look at him, and no beauty that we should desire him. But once Yeshua accomplished his mission as the humble servant, which included being obedient to the Father even unto death, Yeshua was then resurrected and ascended to heaven, and due to his obedience even unto death, Yahweh the Father rewarded him as second in command, seated him at the right hand of the Majesty on high, to be above all angels and men. Thus he inherited the status and rank more excellent than all. Philippians 2 verse 8 to 9. He humbled himself by becoming obedient to the point of death, even death on a cross. Therefore, Elohim, that is Yahweh, has highly exalted him and bestowed on him the name that is above every name. Hallelujah. I've helped to continue going down the chapter of Hebrews 1. Let me know what you think so far in the comment section below. Thank you and shalom.